Today's recipe was created many years back by local Tamilians for officers of the British Raj who came into mountain regions like Ooty, literally in the lap of the Nilgiris. The recipe, you may ask, Nilgiri Korma. A recipe which was literally created for the summers over the years has become an all-season favorite because the vegetables that are used in this recipe specifically are available all through the year. Not just that, available all through the globe. But this, let me tell you, is inspired very loosely from the Mughlai Korma, a dish which is either brown or white, deep, textural, dense in nature. But this one is hyper-localized, made with whatever was available then locally, and vegetarian to top it all. Now I'm going to divide this recipe into 3 components. The first one is making a paste of coriander, mint, and a couple of spices. Ginger, garlic, green chilies, very simple. And the second paste is the creamy paste, which is made with coconut, cashew nuts, and poppy seeds. Once these 2 pastes are ready, or if you can make these 2 in advance and keep ready, trust me, this vegetable can be made under 10 minutes. The cooking time of the vegetables is the making time of this recipe. First things first, the 2 pastes. Let's do that. Let's begin with paste number 1, cashew nuts, untoasted poppy seeds, and freshly grated coconut. A little bit of water just to ensure this grinds well. Cover this and grind it into a fine and smooth paste. Our creamy paste is done and ready. Let's now move on to the green paste. Ginger, couple of spicy green chilies, couple of cloves of garlic, and untoasted cumin seeds. Now coming to the greens, lots of picked and washed cilantro, coriander leaves, and along with this, a couple of sprigs of fresh mint. A little bit of water and grind it into a fine and smooth paste. Our 2 pastes are done and ready. Now, it's very similar to a Haryali Korma, which you get in the north of India. But the difference in these 2 recipes, a Haryali Korma and a Nilgiri Korma, lies into, yes, the paste 1. 2 is also in the use of fennel, which will come now in the tempering. Let's heat a pan on high flame and add in coconut oil. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with fennel seeds, a cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves, and roughly cut red onions. Once the onions begin to saute, I'm going to add in a bouquet of vegetables. In this case, cauliflower, carrots, French beans, and green peas. To this, some coriander seed powder, a tiny smidgen of red chili powder because you do not want to discolor the korma, a touch of salt, chopped tomatoes, and a quick stir. Time to add in our creamy coconut cashew paste. And along with this, the green paste. Let's clean this bowl the way we cleaned our mixer jar. Let's add this water as well. Let's give all of this a good mix and allow this to simmer on medium flame for around 7 to 8 minutes or till the vegetables are perfectly cooked. The vegetables are perfectly cooked and the korma also looks extremely stunning. At this point, let's turn the flame off. You may cover this and allow this to rest till you're ready to serve. A quick check. Oh, lovely. Maybe just a smidgen of salt, but otherwise very well-balanced flavor, texture, lovely. With this, ladies and gentlemen, our Nilgiri Korma, which is like a typical Indian ode to the Nilgiri mountains, and that's done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well, not with rice, not with chapati, not with roti, not with naan, but with idiyappams, appams, and if I may add, a nice pillowy, soft idli. Yes, you heard it right. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and you can also have this for breakfast with puris. Let me know in the comment section how you like this. It's me, Varun, signing off. See you soon with another recipe. Bye for now.